back with another video. Gang.
Welcome back. Today is Friday, March 1st. Oh my god. So right now I'm actually running late. I'm going to take my granddad to the doctor's office. I have to make some coffee before I leave though. So like I was saying, I'm taking my granddad to the doctor's office today, and I have some stuff to do for school. Like I have to clear out of the hospital since I don't have any more rotations there. I'm running late right now, so I'll check back in with y'all when I'm back on schedule. Bye. Okay, so right now I'm in the car. I'm on my way to my grandparents' house. I have my coffee. No, it looks really sad outside today. I didn't put on a coat. It says it's 41 degrees, but it'll be okay. Say hey.
Hey.
Your phone ringing.
Hang on a sec.
Hello.
Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM.
Okay, so I'm currently at my school waiting on my friend Nesa to come down. We have to go to the hospital to like clear out our graduation process. Yes, that feels so good to say. It's 2:27. I was supposed to be there at 2 o'clock, but I had to go to the doctor with my granddad, and it took for freaking ever. So after that, we'll be done.
Machines, write myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage?
Hey, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, hey, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, hey.
Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own text like I really wanna sing. Got this, stop watching. My name is Josie. Making deposits. My gloss is dripping. You like my hair? She thinks just drop it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it.
Let me in this joint. Alright guys, we're going to get foods. You got Tidal, what you mean?
Oh.
Tidal for all, guys. Tidal for all. Check it out. Period. Hey Solange girl. Hey, this sound like Cardi to the stage. This sound like Cardi with the braids. Free JT, man. If you from Memphis, you know where this bag is from. Where y'all think this bag is from? All my Memphis subscribers, comment down below. Where's this food from? Period.
Hey vlog today. I'm talking to my best friend,
KARSYN, who your best friend?
Erica.
Period.
Period.
Hey. Period. Look at her. Flossing on them. Hey.
Period, exactly. I want to watch TV.
Okay, tell the vlog bye.
Bye.
Good morning. So today is Sunday, March, what's the 3rd? I think it's March 3rd. I didn't go anywhere yesterday. I just did a bunch of homework, schoolwork, all of that. Okay, y'all can't see, but it's low-key snowing out here. That girl snowflake, y'all. Put it on ice. Celebrate that we made it. I put it on Christ. Like, there go one. There go one. Oh, yep. It's snowing in Memphis. Period. Exactly. So we're about to go find Cola Bed. My mama doesn't feel good. So if y'all don't know, she has lupus. She won't mind me telling y'all because she likes to spread awareness. So she be having bad days right now. Her eyes swollen, my popo. She don't feel good, so she's not gonna be on the vlog today, but she's here. Tell them hey. Hey y'all, I'm here. Such a brave little soul. Cause she be hurt, but she be in a good mood. I be sad for her though. So we're gonna go to Home Goods right quick, because Cole walked in my room, y'all. I was gonna let him sleep in his bed. He walked in the room, got in the bed, he was super comfortable. Then next thing I know, he just starts peeing in the bed. I hear a heavy stream, and I was gonna wash it, but Mom was like, you gotta go to the laundromat, and I'm lazy. I'm not going to sit at the laundromat. That take too long. So I just said I'll buy a new bed, forget it. I mean, it's a freaking blizzard. Look at that. Oh, it's snowing hard. We still gonna have to go to work tomorrow though. It's not gonna stick, but it's nice. Numbers with a preliminary. It's still on title. It's still on title. So Cole's last bed was like this, except it's like all gray, because that color don't go with my room. He would get that one so dirty, because he's a pig.
I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. You like my hair? She thinks
Cole is very pissy.
I want it, I got it. Wearing
Well, I don't see anything I like in here, so I'm not just gonna buy anything, because he gotta be comfortable and it still gotta match my room. Hold on, let me get this one. Oh, this is like his old one. Hold on, let's see. Spoke too soon. This is just like his other one. I know it's super comfortable, like it don't hit the floor. And it is only $19.99. Cole is getting this one. Thank God, good. Just gotta be patient. He'll show you. He will show you. Okay, so I got Cole a bed. I got some candles that smell really good and some really cute matches. I'll show y'all later when we get home.
I've been bothering me for a long time.
It's cold out there. My ears cold.
Your first vlog, my eye was messed up.
The air just hit my ankles. It hit my ankles. My mama just ran into somebody that she know from church. That lady just had us sitting there talking for 15 minutes. My back hurt from standing there. Okay, so we're gonna end the vlog here, taking her to the monument. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and comment. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe, and we will see y'all next time. Aaron will be home again. Bye.
Bye bye. Love you. Like and comment and subscribe.